Do you want to create mockups for your website or for social media platforms? Then this video is going to be super helpful for you. In this video, I will show you a website that will create mockups for free, and you will be able to create amazing mockups whether it is in laptop, phone or any browser, and you can upload your photos and create amazing mockups, and you don't need to sign up for the website. It will work out of the box and you don't need to create even an account on the website. So let me just show you how we can do that. And before that, we are close to 10,000 subscribers, and I highly recommend you to hit the subscribe button, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button as well. So let's go to the Shots.so website. So this website will help you create amazing mockups like this. So you can add your photos and you can add that in a laptop screen or in a mobile screen or in a smartwatch, or you can display it as a web browser. As you can see that you have different options, and here you can add different type of designs in your mockups. So for this, you don't need to create any account on this website. Just click on start creating, and here you will see a dashboard like this. So here you need to upload your image. So let me create a mockup for my YouTube channel. So I need to take a screenshot. So let me zoom out a little bit. Alright, we have taken a screenshot of our channel. So let me download it to my computer, and let's upload that image on this website. So I will select that image. So here you have different options, like you can select here and you can set different alignment for the image, and you can add another image and display side by side. So you have a lot of options like this. So let me select the first option here, and here you can click on frame and you can change the aspect ratio here. So let me choose 16:9, and here you can add a overlay shadow like this. So here you have a lot of shadow options you can use on this image, or you can remove this shadow from here. And here you can add different background color here. So let me choose this background and let me click on here, and you can see the background has changed. So you have a lot of customization options on the background, or you can use a gradient background as well like this, and you can choose any background from here, or you can see the mystic gradient options. So just click on here and you will see a variety of options in gradient as well, and you have the cosmic gradient and you have the desktop background as well. So as you can see, the background looks good. So let's explore different background options. So let me choose Windows here, and you can also see different abstract options and different art option, and you have some texture option as well. So let me click on here like this. So let me choose a gradient option here. Now let's click on mockup, and here you have different options like glass light, glass dark, and you have the outline option, or you have the border option, and you can change the border radius from here like this, or you can change the corp option like this. So you have the option, and you can display shadow or set this option here. So you can remove the shadow from here, and you can increase the size of the image like this, and you can change the position of the image like this. So I want to keep it as center, so you can reduce it and you can change the position. So let's keep it center and let's scale it, and instead of screenshot we can choose browser option here, and as you can see we have a screenshot that is showing in a browser, and you have different options like Chrome light or arc light, or you have the Chrome dark option, and you have the UI scale option, so that it will increase the width of this bar, and you have this option presets, so you can select the preset as well. And let's keep this, and here you can add a URL for the address bar as well. So I will go to YouTube and I will copy it and I will paste it here, and as you can see that the URL in the image is changed. So this is how you can add a URL as well, and different shadow option like this, and you can change the opacity of this shadow here. Let me download this to my computer. So I will click on here, and you can select the image quality here, and you can choose the format of the image and hit download, and it will download it in a completely high quality format, and this is absolutely free of cost. So as you can see, the image is now 3 MB. So let me open the image from here, and as you can see that we have successfully created a mockup of our YouTube channel like this. So this is how you can create mockups for your website or social media platforms and present it in a professional way. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, then make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.